Hey everyone, learn how to make your Facebook profile private on PC. So it's a very easy process. Just log into your Facebook in the browser, and once you're logged in, at the top right corner where you have the profile icon, click on that. And then we need to click on Settings and Privacy. And here we will click on Privacy Checkup. The moment you click on that, you will see privacy guide. We will guide you through some settings so that you can make the right choice for your account. Now, who can see what you share? So it's like the profile information, audience, tagging, and blocking, whatever the posts you do. So as far as the email address is concerned, I have selected only me. So no one can see my email. And my date of birth, if you want to hide it, you can make it only me and click on save. Year of birth, you can select friend of friends. It is up to you, whatever you want to. And the relationship, who can see your friend list, you can select whatever you want. I have selected friends, and you just need to click on next. And who can see your future posts, you can select whatever the things you want. Who can see your stories, that also can be checked. Who can see your reels, and then again we can click on next. Review tags that people add to your post. Before the tags, now this is a very important part. If you do not want people tagging you, then you can turn on this, so it will always give you an option to review it. All right. And who can see posts that you are tagged on a profile? You can select friends of friends or none, like this. Right. Review posts that you have tagged in before the post appears on your profile. That can be turned on as well. So once you're done, when you block someone, they will no longer see things in your timeline. Now, what black blocking can do, you can see right here. Right. So you can always come here in privacy checkup, and you can select how people can find you on Facebook, how to keep your account secure. You just need to spend 5 to 10 minutes on it. So people can search by your name, phone number, or email address search engine. So who can send you friend request? Anyone. Or you can select friends of friends or not, like this, right? And then you can click on next. People with your email address, do you want people to search by your email address or phone numbers? You can select that as well. If you select no one, then no one can search your profile through phone number or email address, right? And do you want search engines outside Facebook to link your profile? You can turn off if you want your account private. So you're all set. You can simply review once in a week or once in a month. You can come here and you can do the privacy checkup, and you can enjoy Facebook. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.